As you enter the open floor plan of this beautiful 3-bed/3-bath plus den pool home, be prepared to fall in love. Golf and Sea Village is a quaint, beautiful subdivision tucked along canal and golf course-lined streets in beautiful Apollo Beach, Florida. For this beautiful custom-built home at 821 Greenview Drive, you cannot help to appreciate the large windows and vaulted ceilings throughout the living spaces. The triple sliding glass doors from the family room, primary bedroom, dining room, and secondary bedroom all lead out to a spacious covered lanai with seating for everyone in view of the screened-in pool. A private full bathroom on the lanai is ideal for pool guests. The kitchen is complete with ample counter space, newer stainless steel appliances, and beautiful light cabinetry. The large primary bedroom has ample space for a king-size bed. It has double closets with built-in shelving and a bathroom complete with double sinks, standalone shower and soaking tub. The additional bedrooms are generously sized and on the opposite end of the home. The home has a large 2-car garage with built-in storage, plus there is a great space for additional parking in the circular driveway that spans the entire corner lot. Enjoy no CDD and voluntary low HOA. Apollo Beach is a highly sought-after suburb of Tampa. Conveniently located near I-75, US-41 and US-301 for an effortless commute to MacDill AFB, Tampa, Street Pete, and Bradenton. Easily accessible fun restaurants, Street Joseph's Hospital, shopping, parks, and only a short drive to the beautiful Gulf beaches make this location spectacular. Roof was replaced about 1.5 years ago.